Pistachios are the seeds of the pistachio tree. They're usually green and slightly sweet. They're called nuts, but botanically pistachios are seeds. People have been eating them for thousands of years. The kernels can have different colors, ranging from yellow to shades of green. They're usually about an inch long and half an inch in diameter. But if you want to taste one, you'll have to open its hard shell first. The pistachio tree originated in Western Asia, and archaeologists believe pistachios became a food as early as 7000 BC. They came to the United States in the mid-19th century, and commercial production began in the 1970s. California, Arizona, and New Mexico make up all of America's commercial pistachio production. You can buy pistachios shelled or unshelled, roasted, or salted. They're available in most grocery stores, and you can buy them in bulk from pistachio growers. In the next part of the video, I will show you the top 5 health benefits of pistachios. Let's go. The pigments that give pistachios their unique green and purple color have protective antioxidant properties. Of all the tree nuts, pistachios are exceptionally high in these compounds, with only walnuts and pecans providing more. Compared to most nuts, pistachios have a lower fat and calorie content and contain the highest amount of potassium. They're especially rich in phytosterols, all of which support cardiovascular health. Pistachios are also a valuable source of the amino acid L-arginine, which we convert to the blood pressure-lowering compound nitric oxide. Pistachios are the only nut to provide reasonable levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect the eyes as we age. Pistachios may be helpful in a weight management program and have a lower calorie and fat content than most other nuts. They also have a reduced net metabolizable energy content, meaning we don't digest and absorb all of their calorific value. Being rich in fiber, they also help keep us full and satiated. These attributes were demonstrated in a study of overweight adults who reported reductions in body mass index and waist circumference combined with favorable changes to dietary habits. Pistachios are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and protective antioxidants, so it's not unreasonable to expect them to be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. In addition, research on healthy adults suggests adding pistachios to a high-carb meal may lower our overall blood sugar response. Similar benefits have been seen in studies examining the blood sugar effects of pistachio nuts on those with type 2 diabetes. All of this suggests that pistachio nuts offer other valuable blood sugar management benefits as well as having a low glycemic value, GI. These were the 5 health benefits of pistachios. If you found the video interesting, please share it with your family and friends. Also, remember to check out more content on my channel. See you.